Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this BMW 5 Series. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, from any screen, click Menu, onto Communication. Showing telephone, we need to click back towards you onto Settings menu, click to Settings menu, click Pair New Telephone, click Start Pairing, and this will change any second, I think, to the BMW. It's just saying hands-free, and there you go, it's changed to this BMW 00321. So we click that, asking for a code 0000, pair. This changes, we want 0000. The confirm passkey is just below, not the eye control back. Click on confirm passkey. It's verified it. Asking me here if I want to allow my contacts and favourites to sync. I don't. I won't be using this car again, but you will. And there it is. That's showing is connected. So no call in progress at the moment. That's it. That's how you do it.